Have you ever pondered the intersection of technology and nature? Today we explore an intriguing topic, the fusion of beekeeping and drones. The world of honeybees is a fascinating one. These tiny creatures, often unnoticed in our daily lives, play a crucial role in our ecosystem. They pollinate plants, contributing to the growth of fruits, vegetables, and a variety of crops. But with declining bee populations worldwide, it's become more important than ever to find innovative ways to support these incredible insects. Enter the world of drones. But how, you may ask, can a drone aid in beekeeping? Well, it's quite ingenious. Drones fitted with infrared cameras can monitor hives from a distance. The infrared cameras detect the heat produced by the bees, providing valuable data about the hive's health and activity without disturbing the bees. This non-invasive method of hive inspection is a game changer. Traditionally, beekeepers had to open the hive for inspection, a process that could stress the bees and even lead to stings. With drones, beekeepers can keep a watchful eye on their hives while minimizing disturbance. Drones can also assist in the actual process of beekeeping. Some drones come equipped with mechanisms that can simulate the waggle dance, a unique form of communication among bees. These drones can guide bees to new locations, a useful feature when relocating hives or leading bees to areas rich in pollen and nectar. Moreover, drones can also help in the pollination process. With bee populations declining, drones fitted with pollen dispensers can help fill the gap. These drones can fly from flower to flower, releasing pollen, thus aiding in the process of pollination. So there you have it, an intriguing blend of technology and nature, a testament to human ingenuity. Drones are not just flying cameras or delivery vehicles, they're now silent observers and supporters of our buzzing friends, the bees. To summarize, drones bring a new dimension to beekeeping. They allow for non-invasive hive inspections, can simulate bee communication, guide bees to new locations, and even participate in the pollination process. In a world where every bee counts, drones are proving to be valuable allies in supporting these essential creatures. In the grand scheme of things, this is just another example of how technology can work hand in hand with nature. It's a reminder that innovation isn't just about creating new gadgets, it's about finding ways to make a positive difference in the world around us. So the next time you see a drone hovering in the sky, remember it might just be doing its part to save the bees.